This peach upside down cake combines a buttered rum roasted peach topping with an ultra moist sour cream cake center, a sweet pecan crust, and a scale to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. Try this rustic skillet dessert with a scoop of Philadelphia style cherry cream cheese ice cream. To make the buttered rum peach topping, peel and remove the stone from a fresh peach. Cut a few slices, about 35 grams. Then melt 10 grams butter and mix with 5 grams rum and 10 grams brown sugar. Spread on the bottom of the skillet, add the sliced peaches, and roast in a 375 Fahrenheit oven for 5 minutes to start caramelizing the fruit, heating it through so the cake will bake more evenly on top of it. To make the cake batter, cream 25 grams brown sugar with 25 grams room temperature butter, 15 grams sour cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Then mix 10 grams chopped pecans with 10 grams brown sugar for the crust. As soon as the peaches come out of the oven, spread the batter on top and spread the crust evenly on top of the batter. Bake in a 375 Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The upside down cake is done when the center is domed, caramelized, and a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle, then use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate.